Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it's the 9th day of March. It's been very active in the overnight hours. Some of you watching this video have had tornado watches and warnings and tornado sirens going off, and there's been a lot of thunder and lightning behind me here in the overnight hours, and still raining at this particular hour. Much to talk about today. It'll be wet at times for the next few days, right on through Friday and Friday night. A strong cold front is approaching. I've been telling you about it for several days now. This is going to bring a shocking change. For instance, the high temperature on Friday and the high temperature on Saturday could be 30 degrees different. We're talking about a significant cold snap on the way and a hard freeze on Saturday night. Those are the headlines. Let's get into the details. Early this morning in the middle of the night, there has been an ongoing tornado watch across South Alabama. I realize this will be a non-issue to a lot of you when you see this video, but there were tornado touchdowns in Mobile and Monroe County and some tornado warnings as well. At dawn this morning, a cold front is moving across southeast Alabama. All the strongest storms will be ahead of that front today, but there'll be some leftover showers even behind the front today. And by 6 o'clock tonight, even a few leftover showers in central Alabama. But most of the activity, the stronger activity, will be in southeast Alabama and Florida. And same thing on Thursday. We're on the edge of wetness as a wave of low pressure moves along that old front on Thursday. Friday's more complicated. Warm front down south, cold front approaching. More on Friday in just a minute. That's going to bring a big change to our weather, another severe weather threat, and some much colder air. So here's future radar today. This is at 1 o'clock this afternoon. All the strong to severe storms have moved into Georgia and Florida and into southeast Alabama, but a few leftover showers even here in central Alabama. The severe weather risk will mainly cover southeast Alabama early on in the day and then moving into Georgia and Florida later on in the day. So a risk of showers and storms still with a high temperature today up to about 66. A little cool tonight, overnight low 49 with a westerly breeze at 6 to 12 miles per hour. Again, tomorrow we're on the edge of wetness here in central Alabama. Most of the activity, the better rain chance, will be in southeast Alabama. Much of Thursday for us will be dry. Friday, we'll get into a round of showers and thunderstorms by later on Friday afternoon, Friday evening, Friday night as that strong cold front approaches. And the Storm Prediction Center says some of the storms could be severe across central and south Alabama. A marginal severe weather risk and a better risk down there in southeast Alabama where there could be some tornadoes as well. And this will be adjusted as we get closer to Friday. Friday midnight, the front is cutting across central Alabama. Some stronger storms out ahead of it, and even some snow perhaps in parts of northwest Alabama by late Friday night. In fact, before the precipitation ends, maybe even into east central Alabama, there could be a brief change over to snow. Then it turns windy, much colder Saturday. Saturday's high temperatures only in the 40s, but it'll seem so much colder because of the winds. This will be a real shock to the system, a late season cold snap, and in fact, a hard freeze on Saturday night. We're talking about temperatures which could be in the low to mid-20s for some places, and then mid-20s for other places, even into South Alabama. So this is going to be a big deal late season freeze by Saturday night, Sunday morning, a hard freeze, and Alabama growers beware because it's going to be a pretty big deal. On Monday, we could be near freezing at early in the day, but a nice little afternoon warm up into the upper 60s, which is still way below normal. But we're looking for 72 for a high Thursday with a risk of some showers. Friday afternoon, the rain chances start at 50% and increase to 80% on Friday night with a high of 77 Friday, only in the 40s for a high on Saturday, but the winds will make it seem colder, down to that 25 on Sunday morning. And by the way, Sunday morning, we will be on that new time. We'll be on daylight time. So set your clocks forward 1 hour as we spring forward this coming Saturday night. Hey, lots of active weather ahead, and our weather app will keep you on top of the action. It's free in the App Store. Just search Rich Thomas Weather with hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, push notifications for severe weather alerts, and plus radar and future radar as well, and so much more. Also access to these videos. Again, it's in the App Store, and it's free. Yeah, so the month of March is always crazy, and the next few days are going to be crazy, and I'll keep you on top of it, and our weather app will also do that for you as well. This morning, everything's normal. Live on the radio, 6 to 9, News Talk 93.1. You'll find us on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Their morning program is called Alabama Rising. There will be another video for you. First thing tomorrow morning, scheduled at 4:45 a.m. And your forecast, whatever you wanted, across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. I'm still getting wet out here this morning, so I'm going to go inside. Have a good day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas weather.